chart, C chart, NP chart and P chart. Okay. So we solve the problem as per the availability of the data. Okay. So we look the view of the chart. So what is the chart and how can we, and some other charts are here and we discuss in next chapters, like in next chapters, like in 3 or 4. There are some more charts are here also. So this is the important for attaining the quality control. Okay. How can we achieve the quality control? With the help of charts. And what is the meaning of the quality control? What is the meaning of the quality control? Means maintain the service standards set for the product quality as well as product services. We are not asking about the business quality. We are asking as for the quality and services both. Services is the important part. Okay, in the case of quality. So we maintain the set of standards of product and services both. Okay, so quality control, and how can we achieve the quality control? So this is the with the help of charts. So in the case of chart, we go for the like this kind of chart we will take. Okay, so some parameters are here. Like one thing is the CL, this is the control line, and one thing is the UCL, under control limit, and one is the UCL under control limit or upper control limit. Okay, LCL lower control limit. There are 3 parts. One thing is the CL. CL is what? Control limit are central. Control limit are central. CL. So we take at the center. This is the CL, control limit. And another one is the UCL. This is the upper control limit. UCL is what? Upper control limit. Upper control limit. Upper control limit means what? It is the upper control limit. Okay. So this is situated above the central limit. And one thing is the LCL. LCL means what? Lower control limit. Lower control limit below the CL line. Below the CL line. This is the lower control limit. LCL. Okay. So this is the lower control limit. So this is the lower control limit, and we take the there. Now solve the problem. Okay, solve the problem. After that we getting some points. Like some values are here. Like some samples. Like you have a 10 samples. 10 samples is what? What kind of samples? Like 10 samples is what? 20, 10, 15, 40, 30.
Sir, ये quality limit है ना?
Sorry.
Sir, ये quality product की quality है ना?
Quality. This is the quality control. Quality control. Here we talk about the quality control. Quality we already discussed about. Quality is what? We get right when no one is looking. I use one solo sentence in starting. Quality is what? Do you get right when no one is looking? This is the quality. Now we talk about the quality control. Quality is a basic feature which is required everywhere. People to people, person to person, or product to product. Quality is required everywhere. Okay. So we already discussed about the quality and what is the TQ of total quality management in previous classes. And also discuss about the how to improve the quality, why we need the quality. Okay. Now go for the quality control. This is the quality control. How can we control of the quality? This is the maintaining of the quality. Like maintain the set of standards. In the case of product or product services. Okay. So how can we maintain? Like this is the just controlling of the product quality. How can we control? If we know about the charts, then we can check. We can check our solution is okay or not okay, or some problem is there. Right? I told you just solve the problem with the help of sample size. Like this is the samples, 20 samples, 10 samples. Okay. Go for any plant, like a wheel plant. go for taking some samples. Like this is the first day, second day, third day, fourth day and fifth day. First day you go to the plant and take the 20 samples. 20 samples. Like first hour take one sample, second hour, or after half an hour, after 10 minutes, after 5 minutes, after a second, like every 5 seconds you take a sample. So first day, like this is the serial number and this is the sample. So 20 samples in a day. Like second day, same you will go there and take 10 samples. Another day go for the taking 15 samples. Another day go for the taking 40 samples. Another fifth day is the 30 samples. So here we require the sample size. Sample size. So how can we achieve the sample size? We add all the samples like 20 plus 10 plus 15 plus 40 plus 30. So first we add this and divide with the 5. Divide by the 5. Then we can get the sample size. This is the number of samples. What is this? Number of samples. Okay. So with the help of number of samples, how can we get the sample size? So we add all the samples. We add all the samples and divide by the 5. This is the sample size. Okay. Any problem? If any problem, ask the sample size. How can we get the sample size? Just we add the number of samples, divide with the that digit. Like if number of samples is 5, then we divide by the 5. Number of samples like 10, then we can divide by the 10. So we can easily get the sample size. So like the value is here. Like if we get the value range, like this is the LCL, CL and UCL. Some values. We solve the problem and get the value. We get the value like we can drop this. Erase this. Like we solve the problem and get the range. Okay. So like the value. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of samples are 5. 5 days. This is the serial number. And after solve the problem, we use a formula. After that, we get the value like 0.5 and then 0.7, 0.6, 0.8. Okay. So go for the with the range of we take the value in the range. Like this is the 0.5. So we can take from the 0.1 to this is the 0.8. So go for the maximum is 1. Okay, 0.8, after that 0.9, after that 1. Okay, so just go here. Start from the 0. Start from the 0. This is the 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Very late. Yes. Very late. So this is the 0.6. Another one is the 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 and 0.9 and 1. This is the value of 1. Okay. We have the points. First one is the 0.5. 0.5 means what? Take this. Take this. And this is the sample size like 2. So go here. Sample sizes. First one is the like this is the first one. For another one, like getting the value of 0.7 is what? Go here. And 0.7 after that 0.8. 0.8 is where? 0.8 is where? This is the up of the UCL. Like 0.8 is what? It's a simple number 3 like that. Okay. We have a lot of points other like 0.4, 0.2. Okay. So 0.2 is like here. And then another one is a 0.4. Like 0.4 is simple third. So this is the values we can achieve in the chart. Like now you add the start from here. Which one is the lowest point? This is the point 3. So start from the point 3. Like this. Okay. So checking out the limits. Checking out the limits. This is the under CL. This what? This is the under control limit. Another one is the also under control limit. Okay. And this is the under UCL. Means this is the under control limit. Like UCL. And this is on the line of UCL. This is under the control limit. Another one is the like this. This is the out of range. Means totally this is the up of the UCL. Means this is the rejection of the product. This is the rejection. We can accept up to here. So what is the defects? Defects are here. Defects are here. So how can we find out the defects? We solve the problem with the help of chart with the range of like LCL, CL and UCL. Okay. If the values are inside the limits LCL to UCL, means what? This is the chart. Okay. In examination, if a question will ask, then you solve this type of the problem, and you can tell that what is the error or what is the problem with this question. So this is the defects. How can we find out the defects? Can you tell me how can we find out the defects? With the help of chart. We look at the chart. Within the range LCL to UCL, this lower control limit, we can accept minimum UCL. Below the UCL, we cannot accept. Like if we go for the below the UCL, this one, this is also a rejection. This is also a rejection. And go for the up UCL, this what? This is also a rejection. This is also a rejection. So we cannot accept below the LCL and up the UCL. We can accept LCL to UCL. This is the chart value. Okay. So we can easily find out the error or rejection. How can we resolve? Okay. So any question you can ask? Have any problem or any question about this? Yes. Ask.
So how we take the sample in the different numbers?
No, this is a question. I just give you example. This is not the exact parameter. Just for your understanding. This is the initial state of the chart. So just write in the random. Okay. In your question, give the proper sample size. Proper sample size, timing, and all the things. Then that time you will solve the problem. Okay. So this is for your understanding. I just give example. So what is the chart? How can we take the values? And what is the rejection? Okay. So that technique we apply in all the charts. Like you ask the like X chart or R chart, okay, or S chart or S double star chart, or in the case of attributes, the U chart, C chart, and P chart and P chart. Okay. So we apply all the techniques. We can solve all kind of problem with the help of this chart. Okay. Our chart will be like this kind, UCL and LCL. So why use the LCL? Why we use here LCL? Sometimes examination will ask what is the LCL, CL and UCL and why we are using.
To analyze the minimum size of the product.
To analyze the minimum
size.
Minimum size of the product. And what do you mean by CL?
If product sizes exist on this line, center line, this means product quality is better.
Okay, center line. Okay. So like this is the UCL, CL, and this is the LCL. Means what? Lowest. How can we take lowest value? How can we take the lowest value? Like I gave you example like 100 fruits in your lot size. Okay. So there are 4 are like damage and 96 are good. So what is the lowest range? Acceptance. If your acceptance range is C is equal to 4, this is what? C is the acceptance range. Okay. C is the acceptance range with what? We can take up to 4. So this is the lower limit. Lower. If the value will be 5 here, so this is the below the lower control limit. Below the lower control limit. So we cannot accept the lot. We can reject it. and if the C value is like 2, okay, and rejection are 4, so we can easily take it because acceptance base is 2. So here is the defect is 4, so here we can take if the C value is like 8, so we can easily accept the lot. How can we accept the lot? How can we reject the lot? How can we check quality? So with the help of C, acceptance number. With the help of acceptance number. If C is like 8, then we can accept the lot like damage is 4. If damage is increases like 10, then we reject the lot. Okay. Like in the case of one fruit is damaged, and the range is like 8. We can easily don't look at it. One product is no problem. So this is the under UCL, upper control limit, or lower control limit, RCL. Central limit is what? Like all products are good. All products are good. Taking easily we can accept. So how can we go up? How can we go down? Maximum and minimum. How can we achieve? So now, so this is the chart. Is there any problem to be asked? Any other? Sit down, please. Any other? No? Okay. So now we go for the another topic. So this is your quality control. And the problems will ask in your university examination what kind of problems? Okay. For the next point, this is the economics of quality. Economics of the quality.
ठीक है।